I designed something cool. Come, have a look. So I drew this table and now I'm going to make this, I hope, if I have enough wood. I do know how I'm going to make the countertop, or the worktop. It's going to be countertop material. But now I'm going to hunt for some wood and yeah, let's see where we go from there. I'm also going to make some tables for my machines. It's a little bit of a chaos, so I'm going to sort that out. We had some wildlife on the wildlife camera, that's also pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna start with the table. I'm hunting for wood to build the big table. And 20 centimeters. It's not really flat, so I hope it's thick enough for the parts I want to use. Could be something, could be nothing. I'm gonna check if I can find some more over there. Also taking this to the workshop. I think I'm gonna take a lot to the workshop because I find more interesting stuff. This is not a bad score at all. It's the first initial shape I'm gonna make. I've got a little bit of a drawing here, and this is probably not going to be the last, so I took some material that yeah, was laying around and is not the best, but that's okay, because I'm probably gonna make another template after I know what I'm doing. The main purpose of this template is to see if I can create this shape out of these beams. So I have to make the shape in real size, and then I can start figuring out how to cut the beams. Step 1. In the last video I told you I was going to paint these cables, and I did, and it looks a lot better. If you want to see how I wallpapered this ceiling, then look for last week's video. As you can see, it's a little bit of chaos in the workshop. I found this roller thing. I think I'm gonna use parts of it behind the chop saw, but I have to build something for the chop saw because it's now on a wonky table. It is Sunday morning in the workshop, and I'm building a little table for underneath the chop saw. And it is minus 12 degrees Celsius right now. But the good news is, this afternoon it's probably going to be only minus 4, so it's going to be a bit more workable in here. And I like that. Alright, that's the start of the miter saw station. Alright. So I got the camera on this tree now. In last week's video I showed you that I lowered the camera, and that was a great success. If you look at the trails right now, it's actually amazing. Don't know how clear this is, but there are tracks everywhere. And the results are like that as well. We've got a lot of animals on camera. That's the house. That's the crooked tree. That's the crooked tree right there. And you can see the trails here. The whole field. Everywhere. Did a couple of passes through the planer, and yeah, this is gonna take a while. They're a bit straighter already, but yeah, they all have to be like this. took about 3 millimeters off, 3 or 4 of every one of these. It's 10 pieces and they went through at least 12 times now. So in next week's video, all of this is going to be planed and I'm going to cut it and glue it together, see if I can make this shape. So that's going to be exciting. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, watch some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.